Good morning, everyone. I hope my voice is audible. So, good morning. This is Dr. Sampathkumar from Department of Computer Science in Dambitola University. It's giving me an immense pleasure to extend a warm welcome to all of you present. Yeah, just giving echo for me. Yeah. So it gives me an immense pleasure to extend a warm welcome to all the presenters who are joining virtually and physically on behalf of the Dambitola University. I would like to welcome the Honorable President, Dambitola University, Dr. Lata Tespeju, and respectable Academic Vice President, Dr. Bulli Yohannes, and my beloved Admin Vice President, Dr. Muluketa. So I would like to express our gratitude to the esteemed speaker who have accepted the invitation to precede the international seminar on AI for the technological development. The seminar focus on the AI in the involvement in the various fields. So the people, knowledge is the one of the world. So everyone are expecting the great knowledge for the successful career. So that whenever we are developing the artificial intelligence, so it is from a scratch, so it does not have nothing. When the system is to be knowledgeable, then only it will be a most benefit for the society. Likewise, the person who having the knowledge, those who are updating, it will be that person will be signing in the career. Hope this seminar will be the most and successful career startup for you. Those who are don't know about the AI, that the people can know what is an AI, artificial intelligence. Those who know already about the artificial intelligence, they can update their knowledge from the speakers who are present here. So I given the session to Dr. Kishore Kumar, my colleague, who is inviting the speaker of the sessions.
Very good morning to one and all. Good afternoon and good evening for all the participants, those who are in this platform for this today international seminar on and I also extend my thanks for this opportunity. And I would like to welcome Dr. Bulli Yohannes, the Academic Vice President of the University, another young and dynamic Academic Vice President who is very instrumental in helping the colleagues and the staff members to achieve great things in academics. Hello, am I audible? I hope there is some technical issues. Let us try to solve. Hello? Hello? Audible to everyone? Am I audible? Dr. Krishnamurthy, am I audible to you? If I'm audible, please raise your hands. I'm audible. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much. So once again, let me start from the beginning. It's my great pleasure to welcome all the participants from different parts of the world today on being this platform to attend this international seminar. As I was mentioning before, I would like to welcome our President, Dr. Lathadiswai, Dr. B. Hogares, and Dr. Mulgeta, under whom we are able to do great things in academics. And these personalities are in Debidolo universities to the different parts of the world and are creating many linkage programs as well as national seminars, conferences in order to connect Debidolo University to other parts of the world. Very soon, we hope that Debidolo University will be the the famous as well as reputed universities in Ethiopia. We are working hard towards that. Even our president, vice president, and the administrative vice president is working. So today we have three sessions. The first session will be discussed under the topic of telemedicine technology powered by artificial intelligence, IoT, and blockchain. The session 2, we have a topic on vision transformers in computer vision. And session 3, we have innovation in deep learning. So these are the three sessions. I would like to welcome all the three eminent speakers from different parts of the world in from different countries. I would like to thank Dr. Sampathkumar, who has been very instrumental and hardworking in order to bring this seminar into practice. And from the part of Debidolo University, in this new year, academic year 2023, it is a very good thing that we have started with a very good topic, artificial intelligence, which is the need of the hour. Actually, in the current world, we know that artificial intelligence has reached right from the bedroom to all the offices. As I was watching the news before yesterday, it was shocking to hear that there were almost like 200,000 job cuts in US from Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. Almost 200 to 300,000 job cuts happening in US because of the artificial intelligence. So I believe that this is a good topic to be discussed in the after time about the impact of artificial intelligence. More than me, I think the speakers are ready to deliver their presentation. Once again, I welcome all of you for this seminar. I hope you will enjoy, you will have a great time, and you will have a great knowledge sharing as well as learning. Once again, I would like to thank the entire team of Debidolo University, Dr. Lathadiswai, Dr. Bulli Hoganes, and Dr. Mulgeta, and all the staff, those who are supporting to make this happen. Special thanks to Dr. Sampathkumar for his initiative. Over to Dr. Sampathkumar. Okay. So I take great pleasure in introducing the speakers of today's international seminar. Dr. S.B. Goyal, who will be presenting on the topic telemedicine technology powered by AI. He is a director, Faculty of Information Technology, City University of Malaysia, also an IEEE senior member, and his area of research is on blockchain, cloud, big data, intelligent information system. We welcome you, sir, for this international seminar. We welcome you, as well as we give our heartfelt thanks for your acceptance and coming on this platform today to share your views. I would like to now give the speaker to present this presentation. Dr. S.B. Goyal, you can go ahead.
Hello, is it audible? Is it audible? Is it audible?
Yeah, it is
Testing.
audible, sir. You're clear. It's
Yeah,
audible.
yeah.
You're clear. You're clear.
Okay. So first of all, good morning to everyone and Happy New Year to everyone. And a special thanks to Dr. Sampath and Dr. Manish. They have done very hard work in the background of this execution of this one-day event. So artificial intelligence is nothing new. Now it's become is a day-to-day routine life is there. Whenever is it like at this moment is possible when we are connecting to each other online is a that is also a one type of artificial intelligence. And recently you have listened something is there open gpt open ai so chat gpt. So correspondingly chat gpt, using the gpt you have able to clear your chatting option, chatting software is able to clear the medical examination of USA and uh, cyber law examination of USA is cleared just day before yesterday, and Google have just laid off around 12,000 people on last Friday. Why? Because all those things is going on because of the development of AI. So at this moment, this AI is become of a necessity. Like you can't survive without electricity. Electricity become your necessity. Similarly, AI is become your necessity in 21st century. So particularly we focus on telemedicine, and on the telemedicine we observe that especially during the COVID-19, everyone is staying at home, and then correspondingly we are taking the online consultation, we are taking the treatment online. So everything is we are talking about. So telemedicine is talking about something is a integration of multiple technology, traditional computer plus AI, IoT, blockchain, chat GPT, all those aspects is required. So fundamentally I can say patient care transformation journey for clinical services. Whatever you are taking some clinical services is not the first thing, is not a replacement, is not a replacement of hospitals, is not a replacement of the doctor, but it's an integrated aspect is there where we can see transformation journey for clinical services is there. Someone is understanding and they are saying that telemedicine is a tool, not a replacement for your doctor's touch. And traditional perspective, which is talking about telecommunication plus medicine, which become your telemedicine. But latest concept is coming from 2017 onwards, which is redefine the definition of telemedicine and talking about technology plus medicine, which become your telemedicine is there. When we are talking about technology and technology, there is a integration is required, artificial intelligence, IoT, blockchain, chat GPT. So layout of the session, we will talk about some background, some challenges, some careers, and flavors of basic technology in telemedicine. Let's see. So what's first of all, let's see what's the definition of medical science and what's not a definition of medical science. So traditionally, which is called system is just saying that science and practice of caring a patient, managing the diagnosis, prognosis, and prevention, treatment, palliation of their journey is there. So corresponding, you can say something in this scenario. So, but medicine is not an exact science, is a approximation, is a probability. Doctor is not giving the assurances there, you will be recover or not. Science is giving the assurances there. So medicine is not giving the 100% assurances there. So medicine is not an exact science, and medicine is a science of uncertainty and an art of probability is there. Same thing is happening in your when we are saying that about artificial intelligence, you can get the approximation. Assurance will come like how much data we are collecting. So day by day, we are improving the overall system is there in the artificial intelligence point of view. Then system is become more intelligent. System is become more intelligence. Here in the artificial intelligence, we called is we do the mistakes, but we don't want to repeat the mistakes. When we are doing the mistakes, we learn from the mistakes, but we don't want to do the similar mistakes again and again. So position of telemedicine we can observe in digital health domain when we are talking about e-health, telehealth, telecare, or telemedicines, or is the integration of multiple new terminologies are coming in the market is there, which is talking about telemedicine. Here, telemedicine is a more dynamic, real-time remote interaction of healthcare professionals with individuals seeking health services. Other side, we are talking about telehealth or telecare services is there. So teledisciplines, telehealth, telecare, telemonitoring, all are interlinked together, and which follows some line is there, guidelines is there, which is issued by the European Coordination Committee of the Radiological, Electromedical and Healthcare IT industries there, which is called COCIR. Here we are seeing that what are the trends is going on in the market is there. We are moving from health to the telehealth. That means we are moving towards rather than face to face, we are talking about we want to avail some services online, virtual mode is there. So integration is required. So here is a, we call this tele-education, telemedicine, and patient portal is there. Whenever we are talking about telemedicine, so there is a lots of challenges is coming, how we can do the clinical trial. Like we have not done the COVID-19 vaccination trial, but we have distributed that vaccination to the entire world. How they are managing, how they are challenging. So that's a telemedicine's point of view. All those clinical trials is required. Interactive patient care, store and forward, remote patient monitoring is there. Then there is a requirement is there when everything is online, we need to check the authenticity is there. What is the authenticity is coming? How we are managing the patient portal is there. What's the right time is there to get the bill in advance, or you will be get the bill in the last. That need to check. So correspondingly, we called is health, telemedicine, telehealth. So ultimately, we are talking about remote communications is there. When we are talking about remote communication, that remote communication is only possible with the help of directly in terms of your artificial intelligence form is there. Nowadays is a always debate is there. It's a networking feature is there, or it's a artificial intelligence feature is there. Is a image processing feature is there, or it's a artificial intelligence feature is. So correspondingly, all those fields are overlapping to each other, whereas a system is more capable, system is able to take the decision, system is able to repeat the same task again and again in more efficiently and more systematically. So mobile health applications are available, personalized medicines are available. When we call this electronic medical record is there, EMR, electronic health records, you can generate it, or you can create the wearable devices is there. Nowadays devices are available where doctor can control, doctor can watch you 24 by 7. If you need any special assistance, then corresponding that is also possible about remote communications. So at this moment, when we are talking about the AI, then there is a dynamic tension is created. One foot in the past, one foot in the future. We want everything like for the Western culture, but whenever we are doing something Western culture point of view, we are saying that we are losing our traditional values is there. One side is traditional values, one side advancement we are talking about. So we are not able to take the right decisions, and that is a problem of coming of current generation. So that's why we are calling it one foot in the past, one foot in the future. And what is happening? Overall cost is increasing. and quality decreasing. Whatever lifestyle we are talking about, any type of artificial in your mobility, artificial intelligence in your education, telemedicine, artificial intelligence in your quality is decreasing in that sense. So we need to analyze, we need to find the solution of that aspect is there. The requirement is there, which called as lockdown, and all of us stay at home, and we are connecting, attending all meetings. Students have not attended the meetings is there in 2017, 2018. So correspondingly, 2017-18 was perfectly all right, but issues arising from 2020 onwards, whenever is a pandemic situation is arise, government have declared the lockdown. So we called his importance. We have realized during the pandemic, and lots of doctors, lots of patients, lots of service providers have survived during the lockdown because they have adopted the technology. So telemedicine is not a tool and not a replacement of your doctor's touch, but is an integration. Your technology and medical science together, we called is telemedicine. Technology plus medicine called telemedicine. So pandemic has demonstrated our virtual scenarios there, and we have seen it during the COVID-19 is there patient mild repository system, and we have categorized entire patient classifications in the red zone, green zone, orange zone. We have categorized the patients as this. So automatically patient data is capturing. Some countries have developed some applications. They have developed some type of special type of band is there. You need to wear that band in your hand, and automatically government is able to watch you. Government is able to control you, and they are just looking uh, about your activities is there. So corresponding we called is a patient with a mild repository symptom needs evaluation but has to come to your emergency room is there. So that's a power of telemedicine, artificial intelligence is there. No need to visit to the clinic. No need to take the special treatment is there. So correspondingly, that's a beauty is coming at this moment. So online, we are able to detect you are facing the any COVID-19 or not. Patient need to focus it. Stop. So corresponding, that's a point is coming when we are calling is the patient needs care for the unrelated reason, and correspondingly quarantine or 7 days quarantine, it is required or not, utilization is required or not. Everything you are taking the decision online, and whatever days you are taking some decision online, that should be based on commission basis. Is not possible that, so that's why we are calling is relaxing telemedicine restrictions, which include the loosening the privacy regulations is there. Here people are more concerned about their security, privacy, accessibility of their documentation, and allowing phone visit to qualify as telemedicine is there. You want to get the contact on the telemedicine's point of view without video calling. So corresponding, that's the point is there. You need to call using the video point of view, allowing clinical to practice across the state lines is there. So entire state should be apply the telemedicine is this. So allowing patient to access these services from their homes, that's a major advantage is coming. Second thing, so corresponding you need to identify how we can communicate, how we can do it. So that point of view, telemedicine platform is there, which have different type of access. So health workforce can meet the expanded need for the telemedicine visit is there. So what are the changes are coming during the COVID-19 emergency using the artificial intelligence? Um, we allow the beneficiary living in any geographical area to receive the telehealth services. Doesn't matter you are staying in Australia, Canada, or any another countries there, but you are coming to India, then corresponding it will become so easy. So here we provide the beneficiary to access the telehealth visit from their home, as well as we allow video conferencing visit to delivered via smartphones. So Cosmo, you need to identify, you need to apply the rule regulations is there, where we are calling is uh, different agencies is there, which called federally qualified health center or regional health center to provide the telehealth services. Here we can allow delivered via audio only phone is there, or you want to go for video call. That's a control is provided. If we consider the demo of a mobile app, which is providing the artificial intelligence features as well as your telemedicine domain is there, I just request to all of you, you can download this applications. You can download this application Anura. Then you can activate, you can create login and activate that one. Check some demo is there. So Cosmo, to extract the facial blood, so here system is more capable where like you are taking the selfie or photographs is there. System can scan your face and declare your blood pressure. System can scan your face and can give the justification is there. Are you facing any heart disease or not? Are you facing any type of stress? Are you facing any type of goal is there? Then corresponding, we need to analyze it. So that point of view, you need to download one a particular application, which is called Anura. If we carefully analyze, let's see the demo of this application. Let me change the speaker setting is there. So here you can see it with the help of application, you can do the basic examination about your health, about your blood pressure, everything you can be accessed just only 30 seconds by taking the picture of your face. So that's application is providing. So you can download this application and do your self-assessment. So let's see, identify what's the history, benefits, and types is there. Uh, the telemedicine is nothing new. It started in 1879. It may be is a surprise for you. During the war time, we have provided 1879. So at that moment is a concept of telegraph, but civil war is there. We have implemented the first type of distance-based medicines in 1879. In 1922, that was the dream of the people is there, and they have done the predictions. In the future, we are able to check your patients through the distance, and we are able to watch your patient on the TV screen, and our robot can help. At this moment, it is possible, right? So correspondingly, whatever your dream is there, it's coming true. And especially in the 21st century, by 2023, we are expecting that AI-based telemedicine, which is expected to be $54 billion industry and be an imperative piece of modern healthcare delivery, is a big segment in the particular AI-based telemedicines. So you can provide, and as per the WHO observations is there, we can apply telemedicine in your different departments like teleradiology, telepsychology, teledermatology, telepsychiatry. Dermatology, your skin's point of view. So benefits of these telemedicines, we are able to reduce the cost of your care, faster diagnosis and treatment in instances of critical care, faster responses. That's very important. And from the distance, like if someone is any type of uh, cardiac attack is happen, heart attack is happen, then immediately what should we do it? That thing should be captured through this telemedicines. Here you are able to improve the access to care, especially in the rural virtual areas is there, where the lower income families are available. Then you can do it. So improved follow-up care or reduced readmission rate is there. Higher patient satisfaction, that's the ultimate task is there. If we compare it, do the some comparison and technology point of view, then what's the telecommunications point of view, telemedicines tool is there, which is the clinics often there's a possibility is there. We can communicate C to C, or we can communicate C to P, or we can communicate M to T. That means clinical to clinical. One hospital is communicating with other hospital whenever is a requirement is this. Or clinic to patient. Hospital is communicating to the patient what type of tools we are using and what type of health situation where we can utilize these services. So in this table, we have analyzed medical tool is there where we communicate through the email, video, or both. And what's a popular department is fit in this clinical to clinical point of view. Any type of dermatological or any type of radiology or any type of any emergency trauma is there. Then clinic to clinic services is required. Doctor are communicating your any emergency patient is arising, and at particular moment, ortho doctor, bonds doctor is not available. Then whoever is available, they are connected with online, and then correspondingly that doctor is explaining what should we do it. So that is a possibility is this. Second is there clinic to uh, clinician to your patient is there. Your hospital is communicating with your doctor is communicating with your patient. So that should be analyzed it. So you need to analyze it. What should we do it? What type of tools we are using? There is an email you are using, remote wireless monitoring, internet, and variable monitor is there. So correspondingly, you need to identify, and overall, we are talking about integration of all those things together. So that point of view, you need to analyze it. So what are the benefits you are going it, and how patient can be benefit using the telemedicines? Like here you go. So consequently, you need to analyze. So that's why we are calling is call center, and call center is further is connecting with different type of doctors is there. On-site doctor one, on mobile, different doctor is there, on mobile, another doctor is there. So 1, 2, 3. So consequently, that should be identified, and it may be 4, 5, depending on the situation, what type of business model you want to generate it. So call center is giving the examination result, then doctor can interpret and send to your patient is there. So corresponding that doctor can be examined, and which is called examination result, that interpretation can be done. So there is a lots of real life scenarios there where is the artificial intelligence based telemedicine services you can avail. Any type of infection is there in your lungs. So that repository tract infection is there, or you are facing any type of acidity is there. So gastrointestinal conditions is also possible online. Headache and margins is also possible online. So corresponding that should be identify any type of skin conditions is there, you are facing any challenge or another thing. So correspondingly, whenever we are talking about the pain, any type of pain is happening in your body or in your leg, that can be assessed online. Women's health challenges there, that can be exit when you are exiting from the movies there. So corresponding fast track specialist referrals is there. Chronic condition follow-up or any another non-emergency medical needs. All those things is possible with the help of non-medical. So corresponding that should be identified. And that's the range is coming about the telemedicines. So different type of telemedicines models are available, which is AI based. One is asynchronous AI. Second one is synchronous AI. Third one is mobile healthcare services AI, and remote patient monitoring AI. When we are integrating the AI with the existing business applications or another scenario we need to identify. So we are seeing that asynchronous. So corresponding we called is. So you need to identify when we are talking about asynchronous or synchronous point of view.